Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Today we're talking about Bankroll Flow. We're going to talk about how it's going and if you should invest in this thing or not. So Bankroll Flow, very controversial platform. I've gotten a lot of hate comments from my previous videos about it, but you can't say I was wrong. So what this is, you deposit the Banker X token, which there's no max supply. It just kind of mints these tokens to give out to people as rewards. So you swap your TRX for Banker X, and you can do that on the Swap X page. So the current price is 7.42. Let's say you have 1,000 TRX, you can type in 1,000. You're gonna get 133 Banker X. You just click buy, click accept on the pop-up. And then you come to Flow. It's gonna show the amount of Banker X you have right here. You type in 133 or however many you bought. Click deposit, they're gonna show up right here. You're gonna start earning rewards. So basically you're paid out 1% in rewards daily. And then you can roll that if you wanna compound it, or you can claim it. And you can earn up to 365% on your deposit. It's gonna break it all down right here. So my strategy is just to keep rolling until this is an insane amount. I started with around $100. I'm just gonna keep rolling. This is an experiment for me to see what happens. So this number right here, basically if you claim for 100 days, that's the amount that you'll get. So I'm just continuing to roll my dividends, which show up here, until this is an insane amount. Then I'll probably start to withdraw that. So like I've said before, this whole thing depends on the Banker X token price. And this has been going down a lot. You know, I think the token was like 40 TRX, now it's down at 7, which I don't care. I only put a little bit in this thing. It really sucks for people who went in hard when the token price was above this. Like I said, it's not a big deal for me. I'm just treating this as an experiment. Start small and continue to build this thing and see how big you can get it. And I still think the Banker X token is going to go to like 1 TRX. And the question is, can it stabilize? You know, can it stabilize around 1 TRX? Or can it stabilize around 5 TRX? Can it stabilize around 7 TRX? I don't know. In my opinion, it's going to go to 1, but it could do anything. It could go to 10, it could go to 20. I can't predict these things, but that's like the kicker to the whole thing. Can this stabilize at like 1 TRX? And then we can really see how the experiment plays out. But yeah, it's not looking bad. They're coming up with some updates, which will definitely help. Bigger accounts aren't going to be rewarded as much. I think some of the buddy system stuff like that is going to be automatically rolled in, so you can't just sell those rewards. So there are some good changes coming. Just got to see if this price will stabilize. That's the whole kicker to the whole thing. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Sign up with my link in the description if you want to join my little team here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go